Okay, hi, we're back again. This is part 2 of repairing the Peco Switch. Now I have my epoxy in here, and I'm going to take a razor knife, a razor blade actually, and I'm just going to trim along the rails the excess that is over the side. Very gently cut this off. There's the one side, and we'll take the other side and just shave that off very nicely. It makes a perfect cut along the rail. And there we have. And then we take a little block of wood with some sandpaper on. I'm using, I believe this is 180 sandpaper, just to take off the high spots. 180 won't hurt the track. It's a little rough, but you don't do very much. Okay, then I follow up with some 320 sandpaper. This is the white automotive sandpaper. Polish the top of the rails a little bit, where I was sanding with the 180. And then I go in here and I do the face. I try to preserve the face of the rail, so while the wheels are rolling along that area, you still have the face of the rail delivering current to the engine. But you eliminate the picking point where the short occurs. Now you get rid of a couple of these little unwanted pieces there. And that's just about does it. Now if we move in a little close, you can see the area that's been filled right there with the epoxy, and extends back about a quarter inch to a half an inch, quarter to 3/8 more than what the original point was. And this helps to insulate that area from shorting. If you're in the area, please visit the Lehigh and Keystone Valley Model Railroad Museum in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania.